In this video, I'm about to show you Undetectable AI human autotyper. So you can use it for basically on Undetectable. So auto typer, and that is going to be in human manner. So you can see on the left side we have a couple of options. We have smart applier, and it is going to be applying. You have human typer. So this is the one that we're going to be discussing today, and what it is going to be doing is, and basically what it do is it is going to be using your humanized form to type. You can see, click on get started, and once we do that, you can see we have this integration that we need to install. Then it is going to be rewriting and scanning your content anywhere you write online, and it is going to be making it, let's just say you want to make it more polite, you want to make it more aggressive, you want to make it more bossy, you can do that right away. So let's just try that out. Why not? Click on add extension, and we will be on to the extension section. You can see it is thanking us, and then view our extension. So here we got that our extension is ready, and we can simply see its settings, AI detector. If I go to let's just say this section, and we type in here anything, hey, how are you doing, and why are you not picking my calls? And let's just say I want to make it a bit more sounding different, right? So I can use this. So it's going to be detecting. So select at least 200 words for most accurate results. So you're going to be filling this criteria, and make sure that you sign into the extension, and then you can simply make it happening in a different way. So if you want to make it, let's just say the text more polite or stuff like that, you can easily do it. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.